10th straight year, Wellston High School held its annual salute to service men and women, past and present, at its annual Veterans Day Assembly.
Veterans across America and this great country and throughout the world will pause and honor the brave and fighting men and women who for more than 230 years have underwritten our freedom by their duty, honor, and selfless service.
At the event, the Hometown Hero Award was presented to Master Sergeant Sean Thomas Hannon.
This year we have decided to honor Master Sergeant Sean Thomas Hannon. Master Sergeant Sean Thomas Hannon was killed in action on April 4, 2012 while defending his country. He was deployed to Afghanistan for Operation Enduring Freedom. A lifelong soldier, Sean felt it was a privilege to serve his country and did so honorably for almost 20 years. Previous deployments for Master Sergeant Hannon included Iraq, RAF Lakenheath, England, Mississippi for Hurricane Katrina, and Florida for Hurricane Andrew.
The Hannon family was called to the stage and received a plaque in his honor, and then exited the stage to a standing ovation from the crowd.
Our staff and faculty will be singing God Bless America with the assistance of the Wellston High School Band.
Entertainment included this number by the staff, faculty, and band. Other notable performances included Jared Hale on the bagpipes, and Lina Gillum signing the words to the Lee Greenwood hit, God Bless the USA. The Wellston High School Choir, seen here, performed as well, and the veterans who were in attendance had the opportunity to introduce themselves to the crowd. And that's the way we'll wrap up this video, by hearing from our veterans. We thank you for watching.
My name is Charles McCollum, and I'm a veteran of the Korean War, 1952-53.
My name is Dave Scharfenberger, Spec 5, Vietnam veteran, Bronze Star, Bronze Commendation.
My name is Dean Patton, United States Air Force, 463rd Troop Carrier Wing, 1967-1968, Republic of South Vietnam.
My name is Bruce Conley, United States Air Force, Vietnam, 1968-1972. Proud to be here and thank you.
My name is Tom Staten, and I was Vietnam era.
My name is Paul Belcher, United States Army, Vietnam era 71 to 1980.
My name is Jerry Manier. I was in the United States Marine Corps during Desert Storm. Thank you.
My name is Robert Wells. I spent 14 months on a submarine in the South Pacific during the Second World War.
My name is Joe Wickham, United States Navy, Operation Desert Storm.
Bob Peterson, United States Marine Corps, Vietnam.
Matt Peterson, United States Marines. J.B. King, United States Marine Corps, Operation Iraqi Freedom, and Operation Enduring Freedom.
My name is Lauren Parks, Vietnam, U.S. Army, 65-67.
Paul Haller, 34 years, United States Navy, Iraqi War veteran.
Kevin Constant, United States Marine Corps, 1978 to 1981. United States Army, 1981 to 2010, retired captain in the Chaplain Corps. I'm a Desert Storm, Operation Enduring Freedom, and Operation No Video veteran.
My name is Victor Arms. I was in the Army 1965 and 1967 during the war, but I didn't get to see the action. All my service was at Fort Knox, training people who had to go that way.
My name is Jim Fain, U.S. Army Artillery, 6869, Okinawa and Korea, and I did 6 years with the National Guard Corps in Germany.
My name is Jimmy Dicken. I served in Berlin, Germany, as in the Army.
First off, my father, Master Sergeant John Milligan. My son, Matthew Milligan, who's in Desert Storm. I'm Greg Milligan, Spec 5, 66, 67 in Vietnam, combat medic.